Hi, are you planning to boost your productivity by many folds? Yes, welcome to Amazon Q, one of the most powerful generative AI assistant out there. This is a multi-part series where we will deep dive into how Amazon Q works. Let's get started.
Amazon Q Developer uses conversational coding where you guide the service to generate desired outputs. Let us go through the best practices of conversational coding. Writing clear and specific prompts is crucial when using Amazon Q Developer. The prompts should include as much detail as possible, be stated clearly, specify the intention of the prompt, and provide context. When you ask Amazon Q Developer to act on your code, it uses the current file open in your IDE, the programming language, and the file path for context. If Amazon Q Developer includes code in its response, you can copy or insert it directly into your file by choosing Insert Code. The following guidelines will help you formulate great prompts. Be specific and clear in prompts to get your desired responses. State the task directly and provide details. Clarity involves accuracy and specificity, leaving little room for misinterpretation. Intent refers to the purpose or goal behind the prompt. Context includes the surrounding information or environment related to the prompt. Use relevant examples to provide additional context and guide better outputs. Use an iterative approach for prompting to fine-tune the entire process. Refine and rephrase prompts based on responses. Break down complex queries into smaller manageable parts. Amazon Q Developer is available wherever you work with AWS and fits within your existing workflows. It has the following integrations with various tools and platforms: the AWS console, IDEs with the Amazon Q extension, AWS documentation pages, the AWS chatbot for Microsoft Teams and Slack, the AWS mobile app, Amazon Code Catalyst, command line interface. Integration with GitLab's enterprise DevSecOps platform with the new GitLab Duo is currently in preview at the time of recording this. GitHub integration is currently in preview at the time of recording this. With this integration, teams can leverage the Q developer agents within github.com and GitHub Enterprise Cloud projects to automatically implement new features, generate bug fixes, increase test coverage, generate documentation, run code reviews on all new pull requests, and modernize legacy Java applications, all while using GitHub native issues and pull requests. Amazon Q Developer is available in the AWS console to provide expert recommendations and step-by-step instructions when getting started with AWS services, implementing the latest best practices, looking for the right service for the job, and more. Choose the Amazon Q icon in the right sidebar of the console to try it out. Amazon Q Developer helps you learn, explore, and take action. For example, you can do the following: AWS console. Chat with Amazon Q to explore new AWS capabilities and architect solutions. Ask questions about AWS services and features. Get guidance on architecture best practices. Diagnose and troubleshoot errors and network connectivity issues. Connect to AWS support. Amazon Q Developer in the IDE generates code suggestions ranging from snippets to full functions in real time based on your comments and existing code. You can explore and understand your code, generate tests, build entirely new features, or upgrade your application language version. Scan your code to identify hard to find security vulnerabilities and get code suggestions to help remediate the identified issues. Amazon Q Developer is available in IDEs through the AWS Toolkit. In IDEs, Amazon Q Developer includes the following capabilities that assist in the software development process. It can help you with building on AWS. You can chat with it to get answers about software development and code related questions. Amazon Q Developer can generate code suggestions for you. You can update your code language version using Amazon Q Code Transformation. Amazon Q Developer can explain, refactor, and optimize your code snippets. It can also help you develop code features and project in your programming language of choice. Amazon Q Developer announced an enhanced CLI agent within the Amazon Q command line interface (CLI) that allows you to have more dynamic conversations. With this update, Amazon Q Developer can now use the information in your CLI environment to help you read and write files locally, query AWS resources, or create code. You can now execute complex workflows autonomously through an interactive coding experience. Also, streamline development workflows with natural language conversations and contextual awareness. It significantly accelerates software development process and support the following operations. Read and write files locally. Write code. Run tests. Debug issues. Deploy code. You can now ask QDeveloper to write code, test it, help debug issues, and QDeveloper will iteratively make adjustments based on your feedback and approval. This allows you to efficiently complete tasks, improving and streamlining the development process without needing to leave your terminal. The enhanced CLI agent is available on Amazon Q Developer Free and Pro tiers and in all AWS regions where Q Developer is available.